Hi guys, welcome to this short video about shocking news, and I mean really bad shocking news about the Wyze Cam, and all Wyze Cam owners are affected somehow. So when you go and buy, if you want to buy Wyze Cam and you do a little bit of research, one of the best things which you find is this thing about the free rolling 14 days cloud storage, and it sounds really tempting. I have this here. When you go on Google and search for that, you find this Wyze Cam automatically records a 12-second event video when it detects motion or sounds. Videos are securely uploaded to the AWS cloud via the end-to-end encryption and are accessible for 14 days, no subscription or monthly fees required. This sounds super tempting, and that was also the reason why I bought a couple of these cameras. I have already 5 of them, and I thought, yeah, that's really good. I mean, this is much more than what you get with other brands. Also the Blink XT has this, Blink XT2, a little bit in a different way. But the problem is always, I mean, when you have this turned on, like Google instant reply, you just read this, you think, oh, it's okay. You go to Amazon, buy this camera, you think you are protected, but you're actually not really. So it started actually with some ad which Wyze Cam presented me after I bought the new Wyze Cam Outdoor. So I think I started the app, and they presented me something like a special offer for the Cam Plus program for I think only about $11 instead of $14 per year. And I thought, yeah, Cam Plus, why do I need Cam Plus? I have already free rolling 14 days cloud. Why would I need Cam Plus? And I started reading a little bit, and I found this shocking thing here. So they say Wyze Cams already record 12 seconds of motion every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes for free. What does it say, every 5 minutes? What does it actually mean? If you are in a situation where you need footage, like somebody has stolen something from you, a burglar or something like that, a special situation, car has hit something like your fence or whatever it is. What does it really mean? So here I have a sample, or a couple of samples for you. We had a lightning storm last night. I didn't even notice. The Wyze Cam captured some nice footage. I mean, it's the old Wyze Cam, but it doesn't matter, it's no difference. But it's the old Wyze Cam here, not even the V2. I think it's the standard one which you can get for $19. And I have a couple of them on our windows pointing outside, and when there are lightning storms at night, they are usually capturing footage. So let's start here at 4:01. And this is the Cam 4, but the Cam 3, that's another one which is pointed towards another direction, has captured footage at 4:03 in the AM. But the Cam 4 was actually pointed in the main direction of the lightning storm. But why didn't it catch something also at 4:03? Yeah, I can tell you, that's exactly this thing here. Only every 5 minutes. So no matter what happened here at 4:03, I mean, there was probably a huge lightning also visible on this cam, on Cam 4, but this cam said, no, I'm still within the 5 minutes. I'm not putting something here unless you pay the extra for the Cam Plus every year. So you can see that here there is not a single footage recorded within 5 minutes. So that's 4:06, that's 6 minutes in between, that's 8 minutes in between, and here we have 7 minutes, and here we have also 6 minutes. And we can go also back, I mean, when the storm has started, that was around 3:15. You can see cam 4 exactly 5 minutes in between. No matter what happened, it's just recording again after 5 minutes. And here you can see that as well. You can, here you have at 50, then 56, but that's cam 3, and then we have also 56. Yeah, so 6 minutes in between, that was no problem. Okay, and it kept recording. Then you can see also from 56 to 4:01, exactly 5 minutes, and it started again 4:06, exactly 5 minutes again. So same thing over and over, no single footage between 5 minutes. So why could this be really important? Yeah, here I have some video footage of July 27th when we had some burglar in our backyard. Luckily he didn't steal something, but you can see he was a little bit, just walking around checking things if he could steal something. And I didn't notice all these things. The only thing what I've been seeing, the only thing, I mean the thing where it started was this video here, and you can see we have like our neighbor's cat strolling around the whole time. I mean, this cat is spending 24/7 in our backyard almost. I mean, maybe 23/7. That's really super annoying, and it almost renders our security cameras useless, especially when you think about the TOS of Wyze Cam, when it records only every 5 minutes. So let's say we had this cat here on this camera. I mean, that's a blink camera, that's not a Wyze camera, but let's pretend that's a Wyze camera, and the cat has been just walking by, and here it is. Have you seen that? That was not a cat, that was the foot of the burglar, or the leg of the burglar. So let's imagine this cat was just walking by, and 2 minutes later there was this thing here. And with the Wyze Cam, without extra subscription, this footage would not have been recorded. That's absolutely insane. So I would have never found out that somebody was walking around our backyard, because with all the other cameras sometimes it's difficult. I mean, it takes a long time to find footage. So that's the reason why I also have the Blink XT. With the Blink XT, that's also coming with the free rolling cloud. It's a little bit different. It's, I think, up to 1 year. It's not only 14 days, it's up to 1 year, and it captures up to 1 hour, I think, in total, no matter how frequent these videos are recorded. And I think that's a huge advantage compared to the Wyze Cam. So if you have 10 videos, right, one after each other, doesn't matter, it keeps recording, and maybe 9 of these are cat videos, and the number 10 is then the burglar. So it's important sometimes. I can show you that here. Yeah, here we are on the Blink XT camera. I mean, of course, that's just a screenshot, but I've marked all the time. That's something from here. I mean, it's not a cat, it's not a burglar, it's just me and my family going out of the door, coming back, and you can see the times. So you have a couple of items within the same minute, or really close to that. You can see 11:42, 43. Then we have 2 times 9:46, and then we have 2 times that's, I think, 11:29. We have 2 times 11:44. You can see that, and these are a lot of footages which would have been missed. So I'll mark that here. That wouldn't be here, and that wouldn't be here, and also this wouldn't be here with the normal subscription of the Wyze camera. And actually the craziest thing of the whole story is that when you are buying and using such security cameras which do not offer free cloud, then they are actually even doing I mean, most of them are even doing a better job actually, and are providing better service, because usually they just provide a picture and not a whole footage, I mean not the whole video footage on the cloud, but they provide like a photo, a sample photo from every alarm on their cloud, and that's also free. Of course you have to go down, I mean access the video footage from the SD card from the camera, but it's usually not a problem. But the picture which they store for free in their cloud, even when they do not offer actually free cloud, that's covering everything, I mean every event, not only all 5 minutes. I'm going to show you that. Like, here's the cloud edge which I have for the YX Win and for the Sumimol camera. Here you can see the overview of the app. When we go to messages, then we get an overview for each camera, and you can see motion detection. Let's see this here. I mean, that's the Sumimol which I'm using to detect like animal movements, and you can see that both on August 5th, and this has been within about 1.5 minutes, so it's 21:56 after midnight, and this is 23:08, and you can see it's here, both of them. I mean, you can see only the picture here in the preview in the free cloud, and when you need the whole footage you have to click on this arrow here, and then it will play the video from the SD card. So it's not a big deal, but the overview, that's the thing which you are checking. If you want to check on a daily basis, that's the overview, and that's much better even here without the free cloud service compared to the Wyze Cam which provides the free cloud service. That's actually insane. So for me this is really absolutely shocking, and I think this has huge impact, and a lot of people do not know, they are not aware of this really big problem. And yeah, I hope you can share this video with everybody who has such a camera. People you know, and are relying on this camera, and don't know what's really limiting here the footage, and that they have to pay to get everything. I mean, of course everything is recorded on the SD card or micro SD card, but it's not the same thing if you are not seeing the thing in the preview. You are not going to search for that, and yeah, that's really crazy. And yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or whatever you think about that, please write everything down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and please share this video with all your friends who are having also Wyze cameras. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.